So here we have a literal equation, and they want us to solve for C. Our equation right here is C plus B equals A. Now, what is a literal equation? Well, a literal equation is where you have more than one variable. A variable is an unknown. We don't know what it is. It's a number, but we don't know what it is in math. So we have a C, we have a B, and we have an A. These are all unknowns. And so we have to solve for C. We have to get C by itself. Well, in order to tackle this one, I think we have to just take a step back and let me show you something that will make it understandable. We're going to go ahead right over here, and we have this equation, solve for y. Y plus 3 equals 7. So we're solving for y. Some of you might already know the answer. This is saying something plus 3 has to equal 7. So you might already know that the answer is 4. But say you didn't know what the answer was. You had to get the y by itself. So the y is not by itself. We have to get rid of this positive 3. What's the opposite of a positive 3? A negative 3. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 3 to both sides. This is a one-step equation. Positive 3 minus 3 is a 0. And then we have 7 minus 3, which is equal to a 4. And there you have it. We have a y equals 4. We have C plus B equals A. We want to solve for C. So we're going to go ahead and highlight C, solving for C. Well, there's this plus B right there. Well, let's get rid of that plus B. The opposite of a plus B is a negative B. So we're going to go ahead and subtract B to both sides. Subtract B to both sides. Well, a positive B and a negative B are opposites, so they cancel each other out. That's a 0. We're left with C on this side is equal to. Now, this is the part from the other problem that we can't do. Well, we could sort of do. We don't know what A is. We don't know what negative B is. So let's just write it like that. A minus B. And that's it. That's our answer. C equals A minus B. That's our answer right there. Well, say you're not confident with that answer. It is a correct answer, but this is the beauty thing. This is why I'm so passionate about math. This is the part that's so awesome. Check this out. All right, our original equation was C plus B equals A. And we then determined that C is equal to A minus B. So all we're going to go ahead and do is plug in this value into our original equation, into C. So we're going to substitute A minus B for C. Let's go ahead and do that. So we have A minus B plus B equals A. All right? And so now what we're going to do, and we could go ahead and simplify this equation. We have a negative B and a plus B. Those guys are opposites. So they go away because that's 0. And then we have A equals A. A true statement. True. And that's why I think that math is so beautiful. In math, you could always go ahead and find the right answer. I love that. So I hope that helps. Now you know how to do a one-step literal equation. So thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and give you an equation so you could try this on your own. I'm a huge sports person, so this one's going to be dedicated to the New York Mets. So if you could go ahead, try giving this one a shot. This one is N plus Y equals M. So I kind of made this as New York Mets right there. So go ahead and solve for N. Go ahead and put your solution in the comments below. Go ahead and do me a favor and put a like on this video. That way I know it's working. You know, I would really like to know if it's just working out for you, if you're understanding math a little bit better than you once before. And again, literal equations in general are not something that a lot of people know how to do. So if this made sense to you, man, you are one step ahead of a lot of people. Give it a shot. I hope you like it. I hope you had fun doing this because I did. We'll see you for the next part, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.